Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Wendy's mukbang. So let's get this stuff out. I got the 444 meal, so I got the 4-piece nugget right here. I got honey mustard sauce because that's my favorite sauce. Some fries. And then I got the double stack. Get these napkins out. And I can already tell it has onions, and I forgot to ask for no onions because I don't like onions. So let's just take those off. I don't mind like, I don't mind like the taste of onions. I just don't like the, I don't mind the flavor of onions. I just don't like the actual like texture of an onion. I don't know. So I took that off, and the pickle. So here's the double stack. I'm not wasting time, I'm hungry. Oh, you can't really, can you see? So the reason that I'm saying that this is my last mukbang is because me and my sister are going to start our own mukbang channel. My sister is really the one who got me into YouTube, really. She would always say, we need to start a channel. And then I ended up just doing it my own channel, but like me and her love mukbanging. We love to watch mukbangers. So we decided that we would just do our own channel of mukbangs, and then I won't have them here on my channel because I feel like I do so much variety of videos, like makeup, vlogs, and mukbangs. Like, I don't know, certain people don't like certain things, which is fine. And since me and her both like to do it, we decided we'll just do our own separate like channel, just mukbangs. And we'll probably be eating more like food, not so much like fast food, you know? I do a lot of fast food on mine because honestly it's cheaper. But yeah. Me and my sister love to eat. When we were growing up, we didn't have like a ton of money, our family. My mom was basically like raised us on her own. This is Coke, by the way. But yeah, she like raised us on her own. And there's 5 of us. So there was a lot of times we just went without. Like, I remember summertime, I kind of hated being home because we never had food. And it's not like anything bad on my mom. She definitely tried her hardest with us, you know? It's just, I mean, I know the pain now, like, having to take care of your whole family on one income, it's really hard. So, I think, like, when we got older, though, like, any chance we would get, we'd eat. And, like, you get paid, we eating. So, yeah. That is all gone. My fries fell out everywhere. Let's kill these nuggets. Wendy's has the best nuggets and burgers. Like, as far as taste goes, for me personally, okay? Like, their burger just tastes so like a real fresh burger. Like, McDonald's tastes good, but it's like got that weird like processed flavor. I don't know. And so do their nuggets. Like, I know everybody loves their nuggets, and I'll eat them too, but they're really not that good. They don't taste like a real nugget. I'm so hungry. So sorry if I'm eating like a straight up pig, but I'm really hungry. Eat up. So obviously when we make our first video, mukbang video, on the other channel, if you're into the mukbangs that I do, please go over there and subscribe to that channel, because that's all we're going to be doing. My last nugget. Alright. I know it's kind of a fast one, but I still have some fries left, but I think I'm like done with the fries. I don't like to eat the fries unless I have something with it, like a burger or nuggets or something. So I'll probably give these to my son if he wants them. And he's eating in the front. He's eating his kids' meal. So anyways, thanks for watching this very short mukbang. And yeah, like I said, please, that foot, my hair. Hold up. like I said, please go subscribe to that channel. I mean, it's not even out yet, so I can't tell you to go subscribe. But once it does, if you like my mukbangs, please go over there and subscribe because we're going to be eating over there together. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.